Meet Carla. She's a project manager working on a regional network expansion. Carla ships materials to multiple install techs in multiple locations, including Stan. But sometimes things don't go according to plan. It's challenging to make sure project inventory arrives safely and in sync with site readiness. And it's hard for project managers and installers to communicate effectively. Shipments may get lost, damaged, or show up late. Often, expensive and vulnerable materials accumulate in uncontrolled storage areas, possibly hours away from the install site. Equipment and your intellectual property can even be stolen or compromised. Unsecured inventory creates serious business and financial vulnerability, compromising your project timeline and risking your bottom line. So Fujitsu made Carla and Stan's jobs easier with a simple, effective solution. Industrial Dropbox combines a web-based workflow with a companion smartphone app, providing a seamless communication channel between PMs and install techs and maintaining the chain of custody for materials in transit. When materials are ready for shipment, Carla coordinates delivery via the web interface. She assigns it to Stan with date and delivery location near the install site. Industrial Dropbox pops a message on Stan's smartphone, so he knows job materials are in transit. And Carla knows the equipment is secure and accounted for until Stan takes delivery, because Industrial Dropbox tracks its status until Stan verifies that he's received it. Industrial Dropbox makes life easier for PMs and install techs. It reduces supply chain vulnerability, cuts down stranded inventory in the field, and ensures materials arrive in the right place at the right time in good shape.